Spreading my wings. No one can give me complete happiness. They can only give me happy moments that fly away in the wind as time go by. I'm on the path of finding my complete happiness again. I know it's buried within. Just shuffling through all the madness I allowed myself to go through in this last year. I blame me in the physical and spiritual world. 'Cause I know better as far as my truth, my knowledge of how I should be treated. But one time in my 47 years, I allowed myself to love. And it was more painful than happiness. I also have learned that truth, honesty, loyalty has many definitions for most. Sometimes I wish I wasn't so different so I can try to fit in and understand the language of not being truthful, honest, and loyal. I feel like most energies in this reality are in survival mode and they live off impulse, not thinking of who they will hurt after the fact. I make myself accessible to many that don't deserve to have my access. At one time, I wanted the best for all black people due to the way I was raised. And as I have spent time on reflecting, I realized many wouldn't want the best for me. I'm mentally exhausted at this moment in time. I'm not giving up. I just will be still. No more speaking, just observing and listening like the trees do till I move on to the next stage.